acids that are used for pickling are banned. And in case you still want to continue with pickling, then I have some very good news for you. Over the last 6 years, we've encountered situations where at least 4 of the 7 companies we know of had to close down their operations due to health hazards of the workers, due to the corrosion that was taking place in their entire plant area, and the damages that were claimed by the labor unions. The government has banned the procurement and use of acids, and this is all over the world. There are not so many happy circumstances or situations after buying an acid, using, storing or disposing them. Frankly, the damages go beyond that. The extent of damage on the infrastructure of the company using it, and probably its brand image also gets affected. In a pickling process which is relatively hazardous, there are choices you have whether to continue with that or look for safer options. One has to decide whether they have to risk a particular business model purely because a particular process is very toxic. Does it have to be that way? The answer is no. There are at least 6 or 7 products in the market, in fact they have been around for more than 10 years, that can replace acids and do exactly what those do without any of the hazards associated with it. Most popular of the alternatives are oleosurfactants. These are plant derived products and they work exactly like an acid without any of the hazards associated with it. They are readily biodegradable. They have no disposability issues. In fact, in some countries you could dispose them down the drains because they are plant based. They have no storage, transportation or procurement restrictions, and they are very legal. They are considered organic. That is one option. The second option is a synthetic salt. It's not like the salts that we use at home, not the table salts, but these are products that are synthesized in a way that they produce the same effect as acids but do not have any of the hazards associated with it. These products are also readily available and in fact are even biodegradable. The third option is a very interesting amine. It's called DSR. DSR does the work of an acid as well as that of a base, in the sense you could use it for degreasing as well as use it for acid applications like pickling. When you have these 3 options, it might be interesting to consider using any of them because all 3 of them can be used in stainless steel containers. You could heat them without the worry of fumes or toxic emanations, and importantly, there won't be any restrictions when handling such products. Now, if this information is important to someone, or if you know somebody who's having a lot of problems with acids for their pickling processes, kindly share the video with them or tag them in this so that they can help improve their processes and help the world be a safer place to live in. I will see you in my next video.